Hi. Today we're in the kitchen to demonstrate. Hi. Today we're in the kitchen to demonstrate how to do the first aid on to properly boil the face, not to boil the face. Please stay to enjoy. Boiling sound. Boiling sound. Boiling sound. Boiling. It's boiling.
What? Oh, huh? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna test if it's boiling. Okay. Is it boiling? Is it boiling now?
I think my hand is boiling.
Hey, my dude, what is of the wrong with you?
Ha!
Well, my friend, it looks like you burned this elf of yours. Do you know the first aid? Don't be ridiculous. They never taught first aid in school. But I did watch a lot of cartoons. Are you going to drop an anvil on my head? Could that work? That could work. But I have something else in mind. Bandage. At least I think it's a bandage. It's a bandage now. Go long. Ugh. Did it work? I think we're supposed to wrap it. Wrap it on the wound, wrap it all around. I think that's what you're supposed to do, right? I don't know. Maybe you should splash yourself with a water. That's a great idea. I'll try that. It's still up the boiling. It's got the boiling all right. It's got, Jesus. It's boiling. It's got really boiling. Jesus. Yeah, really. Hey, El Dudorino, I don't think that's the proper first aid. Hey, you got some water on your face. Right here. Not here. Right here. Right, a little bit right here. What? What's where? Right there. Where is it? Where is it? What? I don't what? Right there. Right there is of the water on your face. No, right there, right? Right there. No, it's right there. We should call the finest ambulance on the 911. Don't be like stupid. We should call a first aid kit. Whoa, I would never thought of that. You are so smart. And I still love the burning. But the pain. You're right about me being smart. Hang on. Oh. Hello? Is this a first aid kit? No. This is a hospital. I'm sorry, I don't need you. Hello? Is this a first aid kit? Oh, I know you're burning. I know. Yeah, okay, get over it. We're all burning. Hello? Yeah, my friend, he caught the burning. Can you come over here? You know how it is. Yeah. Can you come over? Great! Awesome news. I just called the first aid kit. He's coming over right now. Wow, a real life first aid kit? I never saw one of those. I only heard about it. I'm still burn. my friend. How did you get with the burn and the ing? Burning. Well, it all started when I... Oh no, not another flashback. It all started when my hand was still healthy. Yes, I was cooking a dinner for important people. Very important people. What? What? Important people. Import people? You import people? Important people. Ah, yes. Important people. Why are you whispering? Why are you whispering? Was I? Anyway, I was cooking a dinner for important people, and I wanted to test the water to see if it was boiling. This is how you test it. Anyway, that's how I caught a little bit of the burning. It was, yeah, that can happen, but did you hear that? They'll be here and he's... Hold on, what? I feel like I'm being watched.
Pardon me. Did someone call for a first aid kit?
Whee! Wow, a real first aid kit. You see, what happened was my friend, he with his hand in the boiling, and he kind of caught burning. You think you can perform the help on him?
Yes, of course I can help. I'm the trusty first aid kit.
Great. Hey dude, the first aid kit is here. Help is on the way. Here it comes. Oh. Hey, it's doing a thing. I think it's working. Whoa, it worked. All right. Thanks, first aid kit. Thanks a lot.
Oh, gee, you're welcome. Remember, you can always count on the first aid kit. If you cut your finger, if you cut your toes, or if you boil your hand and you get the burn, or if you cut your ear, sometimes your ear will fall off, and you don't want that to happen to you. So remember to call.
Hey, very good. Yes, you're a very good professional. Okay, bye. Whee! Well, I hope you learned something today, and you had enjoyment and learning about the first aid and the boiling of your face. Don't boil your face or your hand. Don't boil your hand.